Right beneath the neon moon I cry, whispered words now feed a love that died. Lonely streets where shadows seem to sway, every sunset paints a shade of gray. Echoes of a melody we play, falling like confetti, dreams we made. Tears, they form a symphony of pain, raindrops drumming on my window pane. Heartbreaks rhythm plays a mournful tune, dancing with the ghosts of me and you. Broken harmony, no longer sweet, lost in every ache, every heartbeat. Secrets I confide, loneliness a song that never ends, words I wanna say like paper bends. Heartbreaks rhythm plays a mournful tune, dancing with the ghosts of me and you. Broken harmony, no longer sweet, lost in every ache, every heartbeat. Your touch lingers like a ghostly trace, memories engraved, they won't erase. Stars, they spell a story in the night, love not meant to end was shining bright. Chewing and gum and midnight glow, blowing bubbles, watch them grow. Sticky stars and twilight sky, sweet dreams, catch them flying by. Bubblegum stars shining bright, candy wishes in the night. Pop the worries, let them flow, in this universe we glow. Street lights blink like fireflies, neon colors hypnotize. Skateboard wheels, they spin around to the rhythm of this town. Dare to dance and touch the moon, humming your own little tune. Feel the magic in the air, bubblegum stars everywhere. Bubblegum stars shining bright, candy wishes in the night. Pop the worries, let them flow, in this universe we glow. Street lights blink like fireflies, neon colors hypnotize. Skateboard wheels, they spin around to the rhythm of this town. Dare to dance and touch the moon, humming your own little tune. Feel the magic in the air, bubblegum stars everywhere. Bubblegum stars shining bright, candy wishes in long. Every heartbeat is a song. Balloons rise against the tide. Take my hand, let's take the ride.